Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to upload music on Soundcloud. So the very first thing that we want to do is you gotta see at the home page there is like a upload arrow thing. We're gonna just click. Alright, and as you can see right here, choose a file to your device. So choose a music or a song of your choice, just like upload it right here. We're gonna just select this one. Alright, and we're gonna just name the title new recording and add the genre and the description of this song. So we're gonna just say country song, and we're gonna say description about the song. You're gonna type in any description that maybe this is old country song or recent, and hit done. And as you can see right here, if you want to add caption, you can always do that. And if you don't want to, just leave it like this. And just afterwards, if you want this song to be of privacy or public, we're gonna just leave it, turn on the private. And if you don't want to, just leave it public. And if you want to add like a picture of this album or something, we're gonna just add example, just this is example, just picture, and you're gonna just leave it like this. And I'm gonna just tap continue. All right, and sorry, save. And afterwards it says right here processing your track. It will be ready in a few minutes. And if you want to follow the new track that you are uploading, you're gonna go to your library right here and you're gonna click the avatar icon. I'm just heading back to show you, and as you can see right here, this is the latest tracks has been uploaded to SoundCloud. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. My name is Adam. See you in the next one.